Well, it's a very memorable day. I have always been a huge fan of Yusuf Saab, probably one of his biggest fans, and he's been such an inspirational figure to me right through my career. I've learned so much from him. Every time I watch his work, I feel I'm just discovering him each time. So I'm really thrilled today, and I'm looking forward to reading his book, in which we'll get to know about his life, his experiences, his work. Something that again will be a big opportunity for me to learn. Prasun ji has actually written a poem especially for him, and I'll be reading out that poem for Yusuf Saab today, which Prasun has written. And really, it is a special day today. Yeah.
I'm feeling great, on top of the world. This is a dream come true for me. What do you expect from the book? I expect this, कि जो बातें यूसुफ साहब की, दिलीप साहब की आप सबको नहीं पता थी, कैरियरग्राफ तो सब जानते हैं, लेकिन उनके बचपन के बारे में और उनके ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स के बारे में वो उनके मुंह से सुने आप. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ही स्पोकन अबाउट इट.
दिलीप साहब एक ऐसे दिग्गज हैं इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के, जिनके बिना इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का नाम कभी लिया नहीं जाएगा. मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि आज सायरा मैम और दिलीप साहब ने मुझे बुलाया. मेरी फैमिली के बहुत करीब रहे हैं दोनों, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं उनके बड़े दिन के लिए रह सकती हूँ. आई थिंक व्हाट मेक्स हिम स्पेशल इज दैट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दिलीप साहब, you know what legends are about, and I'm very fortunate that in my lifetime I could spend so much time with him.
Very excited because Dilip Saab has been a legend, and today there's a book about his life and his times and how he dealt with his roles, and I'm very much looking forward to read the book. Because I was pretty new and I had done a film called Izzatdar with him, and before that, when he was working on Karma, I had watched him from a distance while he was working, and it was wonderful. It was just a different feeling.
My father and him were very close. He was my father's hero, and so he's a bigger hero for me. On my most important days, he was there. He was there for the premiere of my first film. He was there for my wedding. So I think for me, him being there for all the important functions for me, and I'm here to be part of this function means a lot. I think everything through his perspective. Whatever we know about Dilip Saab is through stories what other people say, but I think it's time to know it through the horse's mouth, and it's time to know what he felt about things, and what his struggles were, how he dealt with stardom, how he worked with his colleague, what are his thoughts. I think it'll be extremely exciting to know all these things. Dilip Saab's dialogue, "Hey bhai, koi hai." Thank you.
The God of Acting. There's a biography out on it. I'm going to read it page to page, word to word. I just admire the work that Dilip Saab has done over the years, and I'm really looking to the further insight that I'll get into his personal life and his professional life through this book. Well, unfortunately, I've never really had a real interaction with him, but my connection with him is through all the movies and wonderful roles that he's played, which can be ever inspiring for every possible aspiring actor.
आज की शाम एक बहुत हसीन शाम है और मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा उत्सव है, जबकि मेरे प्यारे बड़े भाई दिलीप कुमार साहब की किताब जो है वो रिलीज़ हो रही है. इस किताब को जब आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि एक इंसान कैसे एक महान कलाकार बनता है, फिर महान कलाकार से वो कैसे एक इंसान बनता है और महान इंसान बनता है, जिसका नाम है दिलीप कुमार.
I am very much excited. I want to read the book. I want to read about Dilip Sahab और गुप्त बातें जो सायरा जी बताने जा रही हैं कि बहुत खुशी की बात है। दिलीप साहब अपनी दिल की बातें, उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में जो किताब लिखी गई है वो सबके सामने किताब आएगी, सब लोग पढ़ना चाहेंगे, मैं खुद पढ़ना चाहूँगा। इतने बड़े स्टार, हमारे दिलीप साहब से बड़ा कोई स्टार है ही नहीं।
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.